In a typical full-stack application, technologies span across three main layers. 1. Front-end, client-side. 2. Back-end, server-side. 3. Database, data storage. Let's break down each of these with detailed explanations and popular technologies. Front-end technologies. The front end is what the user sees and interacts with in a web browser. It's responsible for UI, UX, layout, navigation, animations, and data rendering. Core technologies. HTML, hypertext markup language, structure of web pages. CSS, cascading style sheets, styling and layout. JavaScript, interactivity, DOM manipulation, AJAX, etc. Popular frameworks and libraries. React.js, component-based library by Meta. Angular, full-fledged framework by Google. Vue.js, lightweight, flexible JavaScript framework. Tailwind CSS Bootstrap, utility-first CSS frameworks for responsive design. Build tools, Webpack, Vite, Parcel, bundlers to optimize and compile assets. Babel, transpiles modern JavaScript to compatible versions. Version control, Git and GitHub GitLab Bitbucket, track code changes and collaborate. Number 2, backend technologies, server-side. The backend handles the logic, authentication, authorization, data processing, and API responses. It powers the front end with dynamic data. Programming languages. JavaScript, Node.js, popular for JavaScript full stack. Python, Django, Flask, easy syntax, great for APIs. Java, Spring Boot, scalable enterprise-level apps. PHP, Laravel, widely used in content-based websites. Ruby, Rails, convention over configuration framework. Go, C#, Rust, also used in high-performance systems. Backend frameworks. Express.js, minimal Node.js web framework. Django, Flask, Python-based frameworks. Spring Boot, Java-based for RESTful APIs. Laravel, elegant PHP framework. Let APIs in communication. REST APIs, standard web APIs over HTTP. GraphQL, query language for APIs. WebSockets, real-time communication, e.g. chats. Number 3, database technologies, data storage. Databases store user data, application content, sessions, etc. Relational databases, SQL, MySQL, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Microsoft SQL Server. Non-relational databases, NoSQL, MongoDB, document-based storage. Redis in-memory data store, also used for caching. Cassandra's CouchDB, distributed and scalable DBs. Number 4, DevOps and deployment technologies used to deploy, monitor, and scale the application. Hosting platforms. Vercel, Netlify, for front-end deployment. Heroku, Render, Railway, easy back-end deployments. AWS, GCP, Azure, enterprise-level cloud providers. DigitalOcean, Linode, affordable VPS hosting. CI/CD tools. GitHub Actions, CircleCI, Jenkins, automate builds and deployments. Containerization and orchestration. Docker, containerize apps for consistent environments. Kubernetes, manage containerized applications at scale. Authentication and security. Auth methods, JWT, JSON Web Tokens, token-based auth. OAuth 2, OpenID, for login with Google, Facebook, etc. Session-based auth, traditional login sessions. Security practices. HTTPS, input validation, CSRF XSS protection, rate limiting, course setup. Number 6, additional tools and technologies. Postman, API testing. ESLint, this prettier, code linting and formatting. Figma, Adobe XD, UI UX design tools. Sentry, LogRocket, error monitoring. MERN stack, example of a full stack layer, technology, front-end, React.js, back-end, Node.js plus Express, database, MongoDB. Would you like a visual diagram for this explanation? In a typical full stack application, technologies span across three main layers. 1. Front-end, client-side. 2. Back-end, server-side. 3. Database, data storage. Let's break down each of these with detailed explanations and popular technologies.